Want a controlled environment to grow your plants? This hydroponic growing system that allows you to grow fresh herbs, vegetables, fruits, and flowers indoors all year round. It features adjustable LED grow lights, automatic watering, smart sensors, built-in planting programs, and a smartphone app for remote monitoring. The system is easy to use, requires no prior gardening experience, requires less maintenance, and is healthier and more sustainable than traditional gardening methods, using less water. This premium-looking couch console can store all of your favorite snacks so you can relax with your snacks. You can also place your drinks in the anti-spill compartment, which automatically balances your cups. It also comes with a built-in storage space as well as a charger. This nifty gadget not only seals your snack bags, but also has a built-in cutter for easy opening. Perfect for keeping your chips, cookies, and even pet food fresh, it's super simple to use and doesn't even need preheating. Plus, you can even stick it to your fridge thanks to its magnetic bottom. Ever in the need of coffee on the go? These self-stirring mugs can hold up to 400 ml of water and come with their own USB charging cable. Just add coffee and water, press the switch, and enjoy automatically stirred coffee anytime. The mug is easy to clean with its removable bottom, but avoid dishwashers to maintain its safe use. If you want sliced chicken but don't have the time, look at this nifty chicken shredder. You just place the cooked chicken inside and rotate the lid multiple times. The result is shredded chicken that you can enjoy in a dish of your choice. It's equipped with rubber pads that help you maintain a grip while you shred the chicken. Cleaning it is a breeze, and you can even do it in a dishwasher. This cute box is actually quite handy in the kitchen. When you open the lid, it shows a bladed grate and a press stuck to the lid which matches the pattern of the blade. All you have to do is put a clove or two in there and just close the lid. The press will automatically dice it for you. It also comes with a cleaning tool which you can use to clean out any stuck pieces of garlic. This is a watermelon slicer that you can use to cut out watermelon slices without any effort. Just cut your watermelon in halves and position the slicer between the fruit and the skin. Next, just make your way through the fruit and you'll have watermelon slices. The best part is that there's little to no waste of fruit once you get the hang of it. These AnyTongs easily connect to various eating utensils, turning them into tongs for cooking, serving, and more. Their tapered groove securely holds utensils in place, making them versatile for any kitchen task. You can avoid cross-contamination by using a fresh pair each time, and cleanup is a breeze. Just detach and wash. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor cooking, these strong tongs handle everything from flipping meat to tossing salads. Keep your countertops clean and organized with this silicone utensil rest. Its raised edges catch drips and spills, making cooking tidier. With 4 slots, you can keep multiple utensils like spoons, spatulas, and tongs separated and within reach. Made from heat-resistant food-grade silicone, it can sit near your stove without worry. After cooking, just pop it in the dishwasher for an easy cleanup. This cordless vacuum makes cleaning a breeze with its powerful suction and long battery life. It easily handles all floor types and keeps going for over 3 hours on a single charge. Plus, the auto-empty feature keeps your hands clean and maintains strong suction. It also converts into a spray mop for those extra tough spills and stains. With a built-in LED light, you'll find and clean every bit of dust and debris. This fridge deodorizer uses advanced catalytic decomposition technology to break down harmful gases into water molecules, effectively eliminating odors and keeping your fridge smelling fresh. With a service life of up to 10 years, it's a sustainable choice that reduces waste. It's more effective than baking soda or activated carbon, requiring no power, producing no secondary pollution, and is fragrance-free. Made from durable stainless steel, it's also compact enough to use in smaller spaces like drawers or cars. Enjoy the campfire tradition indoors with this electric s'mores maker, perfect for family fun. The flameless heater ensures safety and convenience, requiring only an outlet to make perfectly golden s'mores. It includes 2 stainless steel roasting forks and 4 compartment trays for easy sharing of ingredients. With its durable, easy-to-clean design, this s'mores maker is both practical and nostalgic, bringing the joy of s'mores into your home. This is a tower fan that connects to Wi-Fi, Alexa, and Google Assistant, making it super easy to control from anywhere. With a powerful motor, it cools quickly and covers a wide area with its 75-degree oscillation. You can choose from 5 modes and 8 speed levels, tailoring the airflow to your liking. It's great for keeping cool in any room, and its quiet sleep mode ensures you rest peacefully at night. Perfect for staying comfortable without any hassle. This is a handheld cordless water flosser designed for easy and effective oral care. It features a rechargeable battery with a magnetic charger and comes with a travel bag, making it perfect for on-the-go use. With 3 pressure settings and 4 tips, it can clean thoroughly and is up to 50% more effective than traditional floss. It's globally compatible and recommended by dental professionals. Plus, it's easy to maintain with a removable, dishwasher-safe reservoir. This high-capacity touchless paper towel dispenser supports 1,150-foot towel rolls, reducing maintenance needs and refill frequency. Its sleek design enhances any restroom and matches other Pacific Blue dispensers. The wall-mounted unit features an easy-access front cover that opens 180 degrees for simple refilling. It includes a key lock for theft protection and comes with a 10-year warranty. Customize your shower experience with this advanced digital shower controller designed for precise water temperature control. With voice control via Amazon Alexa, Apple Siri HomeKit, Google Assistant, and the You by Moen apps, you can adjust your shower settings remotely. The 5-inch non-touch LCD screen features soft touch buttons to control 2 outlets, power, temperature, and presets, including up to 12 customizable options through the app. Plus, its water-saving feature notifies you when the water reaches the perfect temperature and pauses the flow until you're ready to step in. Transform your bathtub into a soothing oasis with this portable bath spa designed to create a luxurious spa-like experience right at home. It features powerful multi-directional water jets that can be adjusted to target specific muscles, providing up to 20% more power than Conair's previous models. Enjoy continuous relaxing bubbles and water jets by submerging the intake filters fully for optimal water pressure. With 2 spa settings, invigorating water jets or a combination of soothing bubbles and jets, you can tailor your bath to your preference. The portable air conditioner offers versatile cooling with 8,000 BTU power, suitable for rooms up to 350 SQ. Better, it functions as a dehumidifier, reducing humidity for comfort and savings. Featuring easy portability with rolling wheels, it includes modes for cooling, dehumidification, and fan operation with an automatic swing function. Control settings conveniently via remote or digital touch panel. Ideal for home or office use, enhancing air circulation with a noise level of 55 to 57 dB. Do you struggle with neck pain during sleep? This pain relief smart pillow by Cozy Player combines a traditional pillow with an ergonomic contour design to support your neck and align your spine. Engineered with 6 unique contour zones, it targets pressure points in your neck, shoulders, and arms for optimal comfort. The pillow features a breathable memory foam core, ensuring a cool and refreshing sleep experience.